Hello there and welcome to my channel. I'm Marie. Today we are going to knit the garter stitch. The garter stitch is the easiest stitch to learn how to knit, and it's made by knitting the knit stitch both on the front and on the back side. So it's completely reversible, and that makes it very suitable for scarves and blankets and a lot of other projects. So let's just get started. I have now casted on all my stitches and I'm ready to start knitting. So I'm going to take my working yarn here and bring it to the back and wrap it around my index finger like so. And I will hold my empty needle here in my right hand and the needle with the cast on stitches in the left hand. And I'm just going to bring my stitches a little bit more to the tip of my needle. Then I'm going to take my right hand needle and insert it into the first stitch from the front to the back. Then I'm going to wrap the needle around the yarn on my index finger, like so. Then I'm going to pull the right hand needle back through the loop on the needle, and I'm going to slide the stitch right off. And again, I will insert the needle into the stitch, wrap the needle around the yarn on the index finger, then pull the right hand needle down through the stitch again and slide it off the needle. Again, insert, yarn over, pull through, and slide off. Insert, yarn over, pull through, and slide off. Insert, yarn over, pull through, slide off. Insert, yarn over, pull through, slide off. And I'm just going to continue all the way across the row and show you in slow motion. And my first row is now all done, so I'm just going to turn my work. And as always, I'm going to have my working yarn in the back and wrapped around my index finger. And I'm just going to repeat what I did in row 1 for every single row. So again, insert, yarn over, pull through, slide off. Insert, yarn over, pull through, slide off. Insert, yarn over, pull through, slide off. And continue across the row. And the more you practice, the faster you will be able to knit. So just do a few swatches like this and you will become a pro. Again, just turn and repeat. So I'm just going to do a few more rows and I'll meet you right back when I'm ready to bind off. So to start binding off, I'm going to knit the first 2 stitches. So insert, yarn over, pull through, slide off, insert, yarn over, pull through, slide off. And to bind off the first stitch, I'm actually just going to take this first stitch here and bring it over the next stitch. So I will go into the stitch here with my left hand needle and just lift it over the second stitch and lift it off. And that's it. That's just what I'm going to do all the way across the row. So now I already have 1 stitch here on the right hand needle. So I'm just going to knit 1 more. And then I will go into the stitch with my left hand needle and bring the stitch over the second stitch and lift it off. So knit 1, go into the stitch and lift it over the second stitch. Again, knit 1 and insert into the first stitch and bring it over the second stitch and let go. Knit 1, insert into the first stitch, bring it over the second stitch and let go. And I'm just going to repeat all the way across and show you in slow motion. So I now only have 1 stitch left on the needle. So I'm going to cut my yarn at this point. And I will pull my loop a little bit long. And I will take the yarn tail here and put it into the loop. And I will tighten the knot. And that is how you knit the garter stitch. Pretty easy and simple, right? So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with all of your knitting friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.